Cleanup activities continue at the Black River Police Station. On the weekend, Commissioner of Police Dr. Kevin Blake made his way to the area, being called Ground Zero of the impact of Hurricane Melissa, with dozens of officers and some civilians to get the police station operational. Senior Communications Strategist, Senior Superintendent Dennis Brooks, spoke to our news team.
So a large contingent comprising members from PMMD, that's a Property Management and Maintenance Division, CCN, of course there's the Community Safety and Security Portfolio, persons from NPCJ, the National Police College of Jamaica, are here.
Noting that the Black River Police Station is only one of the affected JCF facilities, he says security is crucial at this time.
We know that we have to deliver policing services to this particular space, and the station needs to be in a position where it can deliver those services.
SSP Brooks says other stations are being assessed for repair.
We have other persons flanking out into other parts of the country that have been hard hit to deliver, for instance, Starlink devices so that we can reestablish proper communication at the different policing divisions. So there is another team in Clarendon, Manchester, Trelawney, heading out into Westmoreland and Hanover and St. James as well, to bring devices into the space to make the policing stations operable there.
We also caught up with Superintendent Coleridge Minto, head of the St. Elizabeth Division. He gave us a general overview of the situation across the parish.
As it is now, we are doing part of the recovery efforts. We are firstly ensuring that we can have the major roadways clear, or at least some temporary access. In many of the areas, Holland Bamboo, the route leading from Black River to White House, in some sections we're talking about a single lane access, but we are now focusing on ensuring that there is at least access on the major thoroughfare. That will allow the various agencies and those who are coming in with the relief to be able to access at least the major communities.
Superintendent Coleridge Minto says they are working with the local authorities to gain access to marooned areas. He furthers that additional officers have been redeployed from other parishes to help maintain law and order
in the town centre to prevent any form of looting or the continuation of it, because we did have reports of looting over the last 2 days. Yesterday we had a large team led by Assistant Commissioner Christopher Phillips and a deployment of about 50 officers dominating the Black River Town Centre and ensuring that we maintain law and order. Today is a similar deployment, in fact an increased deployment that is in the space, and to ensure that, one, we are maintaining order. There's another team that is assisting with the cleanup aspect of the divisional headquarters, Black River Station. We still have to serve the public, and so it's important that we can get the station reasonable to a level that the police officers, many of whom have been here 4 or 5 days before able to get any relief to go home, are able to now operate in a kind of a dignified way.